Hello dear students, continuing with exercise number 1.3, third question. Okay, we shall see the next one. Given A12 is 37, D is 3, find A and S12. So what is A12? It's how can I write A12 as? A12 is A plus 11D, isn't it? So therefore it's 37 is equal to A plus 11 into, what is the value of D? 3. Now A is equal to 37 minus 33. 11 3 is 33. Transfer that 33 that side. It becomes 37 minus 33. A is equal to 4. See, we have got A easily. Then S12, sum of the first 12 terms. That is what we need to find. What is Sn equal to? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Why did we take this formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An? Because first term is known and the 12th term is given, isn't it? So therefore S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into A 4 plus An. An is 37 and that is A12. Now S12 is equal to 6 into, what is 37 plus 4? 37 plus 4 is 41. Now S12 is equal to 6 into 41. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So S12 is 246. Okay, shall we move to the next one now? Did you understand? Okay. Next one. The next question, fourth one. Here what they have given A13 is 15, S10 is 125. Find D and A10. Okay, now let us take what is A3 equal to. A3 equal to A plus 2D, isn't it? Then 15 is equal to A plus 2D, isn't it? Then they have given S10 is equal to 125. So let this be one equation. Now S10 is 125 means Sn, that means S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D, isn't it? So 125 is equal to 5 of 2A plus 9D. Now it's 125. Transfer this 5 to the other side. By 5 is equal to 2A plus 9D. Then 125 by 5 means it's 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. Then let this be the second equation. See, we have got two simultaneous linear equation. One is A3, that is A plus 2D. Another one is S10, that is 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So if you simplify, you will get 25 is equal to A plus 9D. Now taking these two equations, okay, let's find A and D. That is A plus 2D is equal to 15. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Now multiply 2 here and 1 here to equalize the first term, okay, and to eliminate. So that is what we call simultaneous linear equation can be solved in many methods, and one of the method is elimination method. So we are eliminating the first term by equalizing it. So then it become 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. Then here it's 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Now you subtract. When you subtract the second equation, multiply the minus sign to the second equation. Minus into plus, it's minus. Minus into plus, it's minus. Minus into minus, minus into plus, it's minus, isn't it? So plus 2A minus 2A cancel. Okay, so what did we get here? 5D minus 5d is equal to 5. See here, plus 4d minus 9d is minus 5d, plus 30 minus 25 is 5. Now, what did we get? D is equal to 5 by minus 5. Then it's minus 1. So what is D equal to? Minus 1. Then they are asking us to find A10. So to find A10, we need to know what is A, isn't it? So let us find A now. Substituting the value of D to the first equation or either to the second equation. So let us find A first. So 15 is equal to A plus 2D. This is the equation that what I am choosing. So 15 is equal to A plus 2 of minus 1. 15 is equal to A minus 2. A is equal to 15 plus 2. A is equal to 17. Isn't it? Then what is A10? A10 is equal to A plus 90. Then A10 is 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So A10 is 17 minus 9. So A10 is, what is 17 minus 9? It's 8, isn't it? So the A10 is 8. So this is how we need to find the term and the common difference of the given. Now let's move to the next question of the same exercise. That is the fifth one. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is 75, find A and A9. Okay, so what is S9? It is sum of the first 9 terms. So S9, I can take S9 as directly 9 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so S9 75 is equal to, okay, n is 9 minus 1 into D. S9 is 75, so 9 by 2 into 2A plus, what is 9 minus 1? 8 into, what is D? 5, isn't it? See, we have substituted S9 as 75, that is 9, n is 9, so it's 9 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 into 5. Then transfer this, that becomes 75 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2A plus 8 5s are 40, isn't it? Then it's divisible by 3, isn't it? See, 3 3s are 3 2s are, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3 5s are 15, isn't it? 3 5s are 15. So it's 25 2s are 50 by 3 is equal to 2A plus 40. Now transfer this 40 to the other side. So 2A is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Then 2A is equal to, what is the LCM? That is, for 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. 3 can divide 3 for 1 time. So 50 minus 1 can divide 3 for how many times? 1 can divide 3 for 3 times. So 43 is a 120. So 2A is equal to minus 70 by 3. Then I need to solve it for A now. So I need to solve it for A. So A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2. Transfer this 2 to the other side. It becomes A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2. So 2 ones are 2, 35s are. So what is A? It's minus 35 by 3. So we have got the value of A now. So A is minus 35 by 3. Then I need to find A9. So what is A9? A9 is equal to a plus 8d. So a9 is equal to a minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into, what is difference, d, 5. Then a9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. So now a9 is equal to, once again LCM for 3 and 1 is 3. So 3 can divide 3 for 1 time, so minus 35, plus 1 can divide 3 for 3 times. So 43 is a 120 once again. Then a9 is equal to minus 35 plus 120. It's minus 85. Now, sorry, not minus 85, it's plus 85 by 3. Why? Because yes, we need to subtract. Two terms with unlike sign, we have subtracted it, but you need to retain the greater number sign. So a9 is 85 by 3. Any doubts? Okay. So if you have any doubts, nothing to hesitate. So you can just put your doubts on my WhatsApp and I'll clear your doubts. No issues with that. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Let's go to the next question. Now given a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find n and an, isn't it? So that is the question. So a is equal to 2, Sn is equal to 90, find n and an. So let us take Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Isn't it? Is a formula. So 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into difference is 8. Then transfer this 2, it becomes, okay, let me wait for another step. 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 8n minus 8. Now I can take 2 common, isn't it? So that's why I said let us wait for another step. So n by 2. Now if I take 2 common into 2 common, see 2 into 2, in that if I take 1 2 common, the other 2 will remain. Okay. Plus 4n minus 4. Isn't it? Isn't it? So then 2 to cancel. 90 is equal to n of 4n minus 2. Isn't it? Now multiply. 90 is equal to 4n square minus 2n. Then 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. Now you multiply the extreme terms, okay, and factorize it. So what are the factors? 9 4s are 36. It's minus 360 n square. See, if you multiply the extreme terms, it is minus 360 n square. Now split that such a way that your sum or difference of the term should be the middle term. Okay, so there can be only one type of factor. See how to factorize this. Let us split into factors. I can write it as 36 tens are, but 36 plus 10 or 36 minus 10 cannot be 2. Okay, search for such factors which is where the product should be equal to 360 and sum or difference should be equal to 2, middle term. Okay, so I can write it as other group 18 20s. See, now 18 20s is 360, 18 20s is 360, 20 minus 18 is 2. Either the sum or difference should be equal to the middle term. Now I need to decide which sign I need to put for which term. See, 18n, 20n. Okay, so now this sign you retain a middle term sign. What is the middle term sign? Minus. You put to the larger term. out of the two without thinking. No need to worry about it. So minus, middle term sign, not minus. Sometimes it may be plus or sometimes it may be minus. So better how we need to take the term that is in middle term. Okay, whichever we are factoring in, that middle term sign should be for the greater one, minus 20n. So minus into, consider this is a dash. I need to fill a blank here. Minus into dash is minus. See, minus into dash is minus. Minus into plus becomes minus. Now you can see minus 20n plus 18n. If you multiply, you will get minus 360n square. Minus 20n plus 18n. If you add, you will get minus 2n. Isn't it? So instead of minus 2n, I can write minus 20n plus 18n. Isn't it? So let us take that. See, 4n square minus 20n plus 18n minus 90 is equal to 0. Then now take this as the first group and this as the next group. I can take 4n common. If you take 4n common, what is remaining? N minus 5 plus 18 common. Once again here also n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 4n plus 18 is equal to 0. N minus 5 is equal to 0. Now n can never be fraction. N should be a whole number. We know that because n is a term or n is a position of a term. n ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನ. ಈ 90 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಥವಾ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 90 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ n ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. See, if you take this, it becomes minus 18 by 4. Okay, simplify that, it will get 9 by 2. So minus 9 by 2 cannot be the answer. So it should be a whole number. So our natural number. So n is equal to 5. So sum of 5 terms can become equal to 90. Yes, 5 is equal to 90. So we have found n. Then I need to find an. What is n? 5. So an is equal to a5. Then what is a5 equal to? A plus 4d. Then a5 equal to a 2 plus 4 into d 8. So a5 is equal to 2 plus 8 4s are 32. a5 is equal to 34. What is a5 equal to? 34. So shall we move to the next question now? Next. Now n is given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, sn is equal to 10. Find n and d. So the question goes like this. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an we need to take. Why? And that is what we have here. We don't have difference to take this formula. Isn't it? Do we have difference here in this question? No, we need to find difference, isn't it? So to find difference, I need to take Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Then because we have a and we have an, we have Sn. So easily we can find one unknown term, that is n. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62. 210 into 2 is equal to n of 8 plus 62 is, what is 8 plus 62? 70. Now n is equal to 210 into 2 by 70. Isn't it? 7 ones are 7 3s are. So we have got 71s are 73s are. So n is equal to 3 2s are 6. What is n equal to? 6. So we have got n equal to 6. Then I need to find d. So for that I will take, as we have got the value of n as 6, what is an? It is nothing but a6. an is nothing but a6, isn't it? So a6 is 62. Now how I can write a6 as a plus 5d is equal to 62. So ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. n ನ ಬೆಲೆ 6 ಆದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದ a n ಏನಾಯ್ತು a6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ a6 ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ a plus 5d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ a6 becomes a plus 5d. a plus 5d is equal to 62. Then 8 plus 5d is equal to 62. 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. d is equal to 62 minus 8 is 54. d is equal to 54. Sorry, 5d is equal to 54. d is equal to 54 by 5. So we have got the value of d as 54 by 5. So with this we are finishing today's. Dear students, please from next onwards we are starting the class in Zoom. So it would be better to complete your work till finding d and watch all the videos repeatedly. You watch, then it will become easy for you to understand the next further concepts that whatever we teach you. Okay, so enough for the day. Thank you.